It's okay. Y'all sleeping? Now listen, here's the deal. We got some presents coming, but you gotta be mighty quiet in here and not make a peep. If you can manage to fall asleep and keep your eyes closed and not make no hussing and fussing noises, we're gonna give you a black chip. But if you wake up and make a peep, you might not get any presents. So starting right now, you close those eyes. Does that have a strobe mode?
Yeah, I think maybe it does. Shit, no, I don't think it does. So.
Now you keep those eyes closed and keep it mighty quiet in here if you want that black chip. Otherwise, you ain't getting no presents, Megan. Good night, girl. You heal up good now. If I hear about one single peep, I'm gonna start whipping y'all with a belt. I'm gonna open up this whole can of Diet Coke in your face. If I hear one single peep. Now y'all go to sleep, and when you wake up, there's gonna be presents. Y'all hear?
This seems like a very behaved young one. What's this, though? And it's fruit, huh? Who is on the nice list leaving goddamn fruit in the room? This attracts flies! Can you smell it? All the pooiness, all that fly shit, just going everywhere! Now come on, say it with me now. We got one eye open, two eyes facts, but you forgot your nutrition facts. Here. Santa leaves a little gift. Let's move on to the next group of kids, shall we? Ooh. And so far, the wallpaper's pretty. You know Santa loves him some flowers. Uses green flowers, but pink roses are nice too. But see, there's something else. Old Saint Nick loves more than a nice, clean, do you see that? I was gonna compliment this child on a perfect room! Perfection! Almost reached! Fuck! Not one of these kids, not one, has a room that seems to be kept nice. Why is it every time that a little fishy gets a free load in life, months of free board, food, room, entertainment, friendship, and what do? Right there! In the wall! You know what? Her room's messy as a mall. Look at that. But don't worry. Maybe Sam will come back. I don't know. For right now, be smart. Deliver one more. All right. Now, let's do 4. All right. Let's see. Oh! Is that what I see? A child still awake? Oh. Well, let's be honest. This room seems to be the best of them all. I'm impressed and disappointed. See, when I come into a house like this, I expect things to be broken, not running. Camera guy, could you? Right there, just for safety reason. Now let's see if a 3 alarm can wake him. Oh, I heard a sound. I heard a just now. Oh my. It does seem that our children are really trying to hide from Santa. Let's see. That blood wasn't there. But make sure that's noted. Santa did not bring that blood in here. Why is there blood on the wall? I get it. We treat this like it's some high school camp. But let me ask you this. That didn't work. Let's go. That's why you bring a whole bag, Yelena. I want to be a little more careful with these guys.
You throw a gun.
Let me see.
Do you know where it is?
Let me see.
Just crawl on his bed and get it.
This feels like a very complex bed system. Let's see. I don't know if Santa's tall enough to reach the top layer. Well, maybe. If we just sprinkle a little magic powder on him. All right. Now, all right. Let's see if old Santa can get up here. Don't make these beds anymore. Just like they used to. Child, are you awake? Child, I must warn you. There are some loud sounds happening today. It's like Wagner's come up in here. Come on. Come on. Say how to do it. All right. Let's see if old Fat Nick can still get up here. The person up here appears to have quite a problem. Not a lot of room. Well, just sawdust.
Is that flammable?
Nope. I mean, it could be. Want me to test it? No. Now, this one's...
Is that what's inside poppers?
Oh, so the sand in this keeps them stable when you move them. Because if you move these too much, they make a... Okay. Santa forgot something about his favorite pastime. It'll make the mirrors ring.
Santa, my question was, all this shit you just dumped out, is that going to catch fire or explode?
Nope.
Are you sure?
It's just sawdust.
All right.
Sawdust, a little bit of sand, helps keep it... It ain't. All right, Santa thinks these naughty kids have figured out a real good technique. No! When you guys get the fuck up and I come back here, that better be a goddamn clean house. Because Santa Claus is a germaphobe. And considering that you're all here, that means you're just fish shit. So, clean up, you filthy animals.
Santa, wait.
Santa. Should probably scream for 3 minutes.
Yeah! Maybe we do that. A little bit of a screamer, huh? Come on! Any of you guys can do this. Anyone! Jeez, you'd expect him to wake up after a while, don't you? Woo! It's Christmas Eve, and I'm here to say Merry Christmas from Safeway. Safeway, producing safe, easy to use explosives. That's what your grandma was in school.
Ho, ho, ho,
Merry
Christmas.
Grab that.
Ho, ho, ho.
Be careful with break ankles. Santa's insurance don't cover these kids. Barely covers Mrs. Claus. Trust me, those enhancements ain't cheap.
Merry Christmas.
Santa, you have a fish trying to sneak a look his presents early in the kitchen.
Come on now.
Santa makes sure not to pee their bed.
Oh, they'll be the best. No, I'm done with this here. You see, the job of Santa is not but one, but many. And you see, they teach you a lot of things. You have to be able to say things like, "Si, Señor Santa." You have to be able to say, "Hey, those are the oname wa sentences." You have to be able to speak binary code. 110111011. Problem here is, I'm stuck here with you. So not only do they teach you multiculturalism, they teach you the importance of it. Because you know what to say. If Santa Claus walks in the hood, he can't say that first word. When the Santa Claus regardless of even I say that one of these days. Oh, Santa has to say. Now, he's like the first. This young man surprises me. Alright. This loser ain't gonna do shit. This ain't gonna do shit. I know someone I wanna fuck with. Let's see.
Taylor, you're sleeping still. You're still asleep. Here, you fell asleep smoking a cigarette. Turn to your left. You're still asleep. Turn to your left. You have a cigarette. You're smoking a cigarette in your sleep. Put it in your mouth. Move the pillow so I don't light on fire by accident. You're asleep right now. You're still asleep, Taylor. DJ, turn to your right. You're asleep right now. You need this cigarette.
Thinks this multi-boy's a little smart.
You have a cigarette in your mouth. You're sleeping. It's okay. It's just a little sleep cigarette. Don't light the pillow on fire by accident.
Or sleep. Damn. He must really be asleep.
You Santa, get that
Silence
big
Mike's my
cracker ass
friend.
dick out.
Wait a minute. Here, do me a favor. We gotta use the infection in the fat bowl.
Please dump a fat load of coal on this naughty boy's chest. Oh, Judge
Smart.
Goldstriker. I think you missed some ciggies for a couple fish in the tank behind you. Sir, I think you forgot to vacuum under the beds. Please return.
Wait a minute. That cigarette. It should be in a mouth. It should be proving to us that a child is asleep. And they are not. You, my friend, get no chips! Now, let's pop in here. I'm tired. Let's see. Whew. This right here looks like a comfy bed. Let's see if old Sienna can still get that low. Nope. It's time for old St. Nick. Get some rest. Alright, hopefully it's big enough. You know, I have actually slept in worse snowbanks, guys. You know, there might not be a whole lot of room here. There we go. I have slept in a lot worse snowbanks. All right, let's rouse down. Now, it's time to take a relax moment. Wipe the sweats off. Okay, that didn't take long. Well, kiddos, I broke in the bed. And that did not take long, but I was still asleep. Just like this. Too bad there are no pillows.
You my nigga Trish. Throw it back for old Saint Nick. Give it up for a real nigga. You feel me, slime? Black, 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 black beat.
Chris Big Spoon, Chris Big Spoon.
Hi. Don't worry, it's my shorts.
Hi, Fatty. Welcome back.
Wait. There we go. All right.
Big spoon, big hug there, Chris. This is $500 expensive.
Oh, I know. So,
Probably drape a leg over her.
it's okay. Santa's a friend. He's a friend to everyone. Even you. One of the naughtier kids. To the south.
Are you happy to see her, or is that a candy cane in Santa's pocket?
He's a big boy, he's a heavy sleeper.
They're even race swapping Mrs. Claus now.
Trish, if you don't speak up, I'm going to assume you're not dead here.
Santa's getting it in.
Okay. Chris, let's have you sit up.
Trish gonna come out of this flat like a
And
cartoon character.
Trish,
They'll have to
you lay on your
replay
back.
after.
In your sleep. Sleep roll over onto your back. Chris, get up. And Trish, you're going to sleep
Just like
roll onto your back.
Trish, don't worry, it's Brian, but bigger.
And then I'm just going to pull you so your head doesn't hit that wood thing.
I don't remember
There you
Santa ever breaking my bed while cuddling.
All right.
Jealous.
Now, Chris, we need you to get back on. This is called the polar bear move.
Old Saint Nick coming in with the dick. Bed's broken. What's that smell? It's Christmas shit.
So you get on top of her, facing away from her. It's good. All right, here we go. Old Saint Nick, we're gonna go for a sleigh ride here.
Okay. Little Saint Nick, get his pants back up.
There you go.
Okay.
All right. And Trish, you might want to cover your eyes for this next part.
Hopefully I don't kick her in the face.
Kris Kringle, get the fuck up. You are going to make her a crease cripple.
That's not, is that doing damage? No. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
If it does damage, tell him to get off. Let Santa ride to the North Pole.
Okay. Oh crap. Okay, Santa almost put head first. Are you okay? You good?
Yes.
Give me 2 taps if you're good. Alright. And I just ripped my pants. Santa might have a wardrobe malfunction, but I'm gonna warn you. Santa's gonna have as much trouble as you were with this.
Santa, that's probably good.
Okay.
T Flocky J. God bless you, Trish. You are earning my respect. J.
Hey, if you get a chip, you can go downstairs and hang out. You can stay up here if you want. All right, Chris. Santa.
Knees? Jesus Christ, Natus.
Yes, he does. For if it was not for Jesus, there would not have been a founding of Santa. You see, the term Saint Nick comes from when Jesus came to Norway and spoke to a Norwegian man once. His name, Nicholas. More specifically, Nicholas Swordfire. And Nicholas Swordfire was a lord. He was a graceful lord. His people flourished daily. Came in Norway, and he had no money, no myrrh.
Santa, can I suck some milk out of you?
Shit, you know, I ain't afraid to let's give it a shot. That being said, he didn't have money, he didn't have frankincense, he didn't have myrrh. But old Nicholas Swordfire saw Jesus, knew who Jesus was. You see, Norway has a lot of connecting news lines between Israel and stuff. They were actually some of the first people to find out about the whole Gaza thing. Nicholas Swordfire.
Yo, good to see you again, my dude. Merry Christmas. Could you sing a Christmas song for your Negroes? Thanks, Ka.
Well, with age, your knees do end up growing up, but, sure, I'll give you a good old-fashioned Santa Claus classic. I hear them ass cheeks clapping and clapping and through. It's like a big old fun time at the brothel with Santa Doo. a couple hookers, one's Filipino and one's a dude. Does he care? Fuck no, cause he's a jolly kind of dude.